Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. This is the Westfalia, as you can see, Jules Verne camping car. Or camper car. That's my new word for what this is. It's a car which has got some camping facilities to it. Jules Verne Avantgarde costs €82,000. That's an 8 and a 2. So 82,017 euros. And let's give you some basics on Mercedes-Benz Vito, 163 horsepower, automatic 9-gear gearbox, 9-speed gearbox, Arctic White, and inside Arizona. Really? Arctic White? Is that Arctic White? Maybe it's got a bit dirty. Doesn't look like Arctic White to me. I know where it's going to be Arctic White. I was wrong on that one, it isn't. Anyway, so I presume that the rest of the information here is correct. Now, the thing is this. Okay, it's very nice inside. But it's a car at the end of the day. And it's going to cost €82,000. Now, a friend of mine's sister got one of these, and for around 80,000. And to be quite honest, I really couldn't understand it, because I mean, 80,000 you can get a proper motorhome for that, or camper van even. Okay, sorry, motorhome even. And so the thing is with something like this, I mean, I do like the idea that at the back you've got the toilet down here, for example, and there's a thing that goes here to stop the shower. There's the shower unit sort of splashing all over you. Yeah, that's true. Maybe you can also say, well, you know, car with a kitchen. How many cars have got kitchens in them? Yeah, but how many cars cost €80,000? And you got in this Westfalia, so everything sort of looks really good, high standard finishing and all of that. But you're not going to really travel very far with something like this. That's the fridge, sorry. Yeah, through the fridge, there you go. So you can travel far with it, but I mean, it's not going to be particularly comfortable. I mean, great if you've got a business. You know, I used to have a business. I needed a car. Cars go fast, which motorhomes don't. Or maybe it's something like that. You know, cars get into garages, particularly these garages which are in blocks of flats. Yeah, you've got all of these positive things about it, but at the end of the day, it is a car. Mind you, I'd rather have one of these with a toilet and a shower than one without. And you do get them without, and they cost a similar amount of money. Now, this of course does come with the tent in the roof, which is okay in the summer, should you so require. What's in here? What that is, this is to make an extra bed down here. We'll go and have a look at it from the back as well. (116) CDI Vito. I thought about buying a Vito and converting it. That was before I really got into camper vans in general. Thought I'd just do it myself. Didn't really have a clue what I was doing, but I thought I'd just do it myself. Okay, here we've got the cassette toilet. This comes off to reveal shower tray, and there is something which will go across, as I mentioned, but I can't see it here at the moment. There's a bit of storage. It's not storage, sorry, it's for your gas. That's where your gas goes. It would be something like Webasto heating Ebersprache. Don't actually really recommend Webasto. I mean, you can get far cheaper things just as effective. And there you go. Oh, it's got a Truma boiler. There's your Webasto. And here so I mean, doesn't look bad, but you know, it's a car. It's a car you can sleep in. It's a car with a tent in the roof. Anyway, is that Columbus there? We'll just have a quick look at the price. I'm just going to use this as a comparison. You'd say, ah, that Columbus is on a Fiat. Well, yes it is, but look, this thing here, 540D, right? This thing here is going to cost, well, this is going to cost, yeah, sorry, that's the base price, but I haven't put the full price on after all the bits. Okay, 60,500. But hey, just make the point, right? It's got heating under there. You've got a bed like that, proper bed. You've got a proper kitchen. You've got here a proper toilet. Well, there's a proper toilet in there, but you won't have to sort of, here you can sort of, you won't have to sort of crouch down. You won't have to sort of sit on the floor to have a shower as well. And you've got a big window as well, so you can see yourself in the mirror. Now, problem is, on the downside, this is 541 centimeters long, 205 wide as I recall, and the other one we'll get the length on this one, which is 514, so there's not much in it, width 224. Now, in my opinion, there's absolutely no comparison. You get that. Maybe you find it that more difficult to drive. It's a bit high. I don't know. Anyway, let's have a look at one or two of the other vans they've got in along this nature. Kepler 6 is based on the Volkswagen, and this is, it's a bit bigger than the Mercedes. 4 seats inside. And over there you've got the sort of the more typical VW sort of setup. You've got the fridge there, you've got the kitchen. But notice anything missing? I think about what hasn't it got? Hasn't it got, maybe it hasn't got heated driver's seats or something like that. There you go. So you've got the bed, seats go down, there's the bed goes down on top. It's no shower, no toilet, and this thing here is going to cost 74,000. Right? Get a van. The van is much better. The Fiat Ducato. This thing here is 62,142. Similar price still to the camper van, and this thing here, as you can see, Westfalia Chelsea, just come out on the Ford. Oh, this is the first time I've seen this van actually. We're not in the flesh. Okay, right, so you've got more space here. You've got a door at the other side. It's going to be at the cost of something. Kitchen down here. Okay, this bit is more or less the same. When it's on a Ford and not a Mercedes. Well, I'd rather have a Mercedes than a Ford. Oh, look at this. Hey, I'm being closed off here. I'm not going to get out. I'll be here all night now. Or is that going on the floor? No, it's going on the floor. Sorry. It's going on the floor. So I won't be closed in here all night. So I'll walk around. That's Ford Transit Custom. Sorry, I should have said that and I forgot. We'll have a look at these Keplers now. And this thing here, for example, Kepler 5. This is 61,000. Sorry, 72,500. Let's have a quick look inside. Slightly different. Hit the back. Oh, it's got a new kitchen layout. But what's it missing? Write down your comments below what it's missing. In fact, I'm not going to say. And the final one here is the Kepler one, coming in at a price of 79,096. It is 530 centimeters long. I mean, it's a Westfalia, so it looks good. Here you go, look inside. This is on a VW, as you can possibly tell from the outside shape. Oh, it comes with a tent, and it comes with a tent in the roof, which is part of the price. So anyway, there you have a bit of my biased opinion on what I think of camper cars. That's my new word, camper cars. And so back to the Jules Verne, which I started off with. I mean, I do like the look of it. I mean, it certainly looks better than the Mercedes I used to own, but it is a car, and I hope I've sort of explained that one and made my point relatively clear. So thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Dusseldorf.